Hi guys, welcome to Prime FX where we teach how to trade safely, not how to gamble. Today we are going to talk on smart daily trading preparation. Each day when you enter market, you open up charts, what the things you have to must keep in your mind. Let's jump into it. There are some checklists you have to keep in mind. First of all, your mindset check. You should not be emotional. You should not be disturbed or in anger or in hurry. You should keep in your mind that you are getting inside a market where 97% trader lost their money. So first thing is to check your mind that is it ready to execute a trade? Is it ready to solve a strategy and is it ready to fight with other traders? Then you have to check news. For news, you can go to forexfactory.com. Here you will open up this news section. And as today is Sunday, April 26, there is President Trump speech which is already he delivered the speech. So if you are like trading on Tuesday and you are trading on JPY and there is a news on 4:30 a.m. definitely you have to keep in mind because on news no strategy works. Then we go to higher time frame which is HTF. You open up your chart, you go to weekly or maybe you can start from daily but not less than daily and you can visualize what is bias of the market. Like here market was going down and it is showing like it has changed its movement toward upside. Then you go to H4 H1 and if you're a scalper then you move to 5 minutes 3 minutes and 1 minute to look for your setups. Then next you have to set your key levels, like whatever you have strategy and according to your strategy uh, you mark your levels like this order block. Before executing a trade and before starting your day, you have already marked your plan, your area where you are willing to buy or sell. Then we jump into risk management. It is very important to manage your risk. For risk management, we can use FX, my FX book and open its FX calculator. Let me hop into FX calculator. Here you can open position size calculator and select your currency pair like we mostly traders do trade on gold, beginner traders, and you type your account size like you have a $2,000 of account. Your risk and ratio should not be more than 2% and your stop loss in pips you can calculate it by using this scale. And if you are going to trade here buy, you have your stop loss like here. You can calculate this by looking at it that how many pips are there. You put like we have 100 pips and lot size for gold we have 0.01 and we calculate here it showed like if we lose the trade we will lose $40 and we have to use 0.04 lots. Then after managing your risk, like you know that you will lose $40 and at the same time if it hit your TP you will get $100. So it's more than 1%, 1 over 2%. So your risk is managed now. Then after doing everything and uh, managing your risk, time frame checking, then news checking, you have done everything. Then you go to your trading journal. On trading journal, you should have, every trader should have its trading journal. It's compulsory for beginner and pros, for everyone. you have your own kind of trading journal. For example, I have a trading journal, just I made it for you. Like you have their pair name, you can type all the pairs on which you have traded, then risk to reward, then SL in dollars, reason or why you took that trade, then what was its output, is it a win or loss trade, then if it was a loss, what was your mistake, and even it was your win, you have to observe it. Like, is it was a buy or luck? Like I both have these win trades, but then I have mentioned like I have traded it on phone. On phone, there is no issue, but actually we everyone has its own mindset. So for me, it's a mistake. Then you should have a before uh, a screenshot. Like here, we haven't done our trade, but we have a screenshot here, and after executing the trade we can put SL here, then account balance afterwards. Then after doing all of these things, you have to check your final things, like everything, did you followed all the rules, and make a final checklist. So this was all about smart daily trading preparation. Thank you so much for watching our Prime Peep FX. If you want to learn more, you can join us. You can contact us on WhatsApp for paid uh, education. We provide 2 months of course, and stay happy and goodbye. See you next time.